guys, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. Alright, so it's a new year and this is the very first time I am making a review. No, like a review for February. Yeah, that's what I meant to say, a review for February. So today I'm going to be making a review for a very mild yet toning soap that is good for all skin type. The soap is good. Alright, so if you find this video interesting at the end of the day or at the beginning of the video, please don't forget to thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. That's if you're new, and also share the video. Alright, so without further ado, let's get into the review. Yup, so this is the soap I am gonna be making a review on today. It is called Clear Essence Complexion soap, and it's a bar soap though. Now let me show you how this thing is. Oops, the soap is like this. Is mixed with the color is blue, like a sky blue and a pink color, and it said is formulated for people of colors, meaning that, you know, if now what that says is that it's good for a chocolate skin. Now this soap contains alpha hydroxy acids, alright, and this acid helps to tone the skin, you know, little by little. It's not all acid, because as you're hearing the name acid, you'll be like, oh, you're advertising for people to use acid on their skin. There are different types of acid in which they use in making cream, soap, and all other stuff. Okay, of course there are some there's some acid they use in making some like apple cider vinegar. There's a particular acid inside of it. Okay, so it is also good. Alright, so this soap is very perfect for a dark person. Now if it doesn't really mean that a fair person cannot use the soap, okay, because what it does is that it's just going to tone your skin gently and gently and gently. And yeah, any soap that tones the skin gently and gently, of course, is perfect. Okay, and it will help also in closing pores. That is the main reason why I collected the soap, you know, so I can come and show you guys. It's a soap that would help in closing large pores. So if you have a large pores on your face, and your face is not evenly toned, or is not clear enough, is not looking shiny, you know, you can use Clear Essence soap. But if you're fair, aiming to be very, very fair, or of course, you know, we ladies, we want something in excess, yeah. And if you're aiming to be very, very fair, you can use the soap, because it's not going to give you that super duper shiny fair complexion. No, it is not going to whiten you up. It's only going to tone you, you know, like 2 shades lighter than what you are now. Okay, if you're a black person, it's going to give you this kind of a smooth and chocolate skin, and if you're a fair person, it's just going to, you know, tone up your skin just a little bit, and that is one good thing about the soap. Like for me, I react to soap. I don't even react to cream. I can't even use any cream or any cream whatsoever, but I can't use soap like that at all. I can't even change from the soap I'm using. I'm actually not using Clear Essence soap. I'm using Skin Success soap. You guys know, yeah, like you guys know my cream, you guys know my soap. So if you don't know, you can check out the previous video on my review. And of course, I'm on my Get Ready With Me. I've shown you guys so many times, even right from my previous house to this house. You know, if you were with me then when I got 1,000 subscribers till now, you must have seen the cream that I've used so many times. Okay, But yeah, because soap, you know, reacts on my skin so much, I don't know why, but I think because I have a combination skin, okay, because I have a combination of oily and normal skin, okay, because some parts of my body, like on this part, you know, tend to produce more oil than some other parts, okay. So that is when you know if you have a combination skin, or if, you know, some people have a normal skin on their face, some people might have a oily skin. Now if you have an oily skin, this complexion clear essence soap is just going to be superb for you, because it's going to help to shrink the pores, and it's just going to dry up your face and remove excessive oil. Okay, so that's just the most that's just the some significant aspect of it. Okay, now how did I know about the soap? Now when I was working with my boss in the spa, she actually uses the soap because she was darker than I was, but trust me, became even fairer than me now. But of course she was using the soap as at that time, and it was really gorgeous on her. It was smoothing her skin like really crazy. Her skin was looking like butter, so smooth. Although I wouldn't trust her that much. Maybe she mixes it with some other thing, but I don't know. But of course, this is what I know she used to use, because I used to, you know, treat her skin too, and she does to mine too. Alright, so that's why I said, okay, clear essence soap is superb. If you don't know about the soap, I'm actually showing you so you can have knowledge. There are thousands and one soap cream products in the market. It's not everyone you might know or come across with. So if you're opportunity for me to show you one, you should be like, oh, okay, that's nice, even if you're not going to use it, because of course it's not all the cream, all the soap, all the oil and all of that stuff that I make review on that I'll advise you to use. Of course, you know, you can do that. You have to use one out of all of those things, but it is good to get knowledge, you know. That is why, you know, this video keep coming up, the review and all of that stuff. Okay, so that's basically it for this. All right, let me repeat myself again. If you're aiming to be very fair, and you'll be like, oh, it is, can I use this, will it make me get fairer? No, I'm telling you now, because of course, you know, I might not see your comments on time to reply. Okay, so it's not going to give you this fairness complexion. No, it's just going to tone you up a little bit, and you are going to have this brownish yet beautiful evenly toned complexion. And yes, the utmost one is the pores on your skin. It's just going to minimize it, you know. All right, so basically that is it. And clear essence smells really nice. It smells like rose. Yep. Smells like rose, smells like I can't even tell you now. I can't even remember. It's not going into my head for me to remember it. So that's basically it for clear essence complexion bar soap, and it's super duper okay. All right, and it's a little bit expensive. Like here in Nigeria, it's sold at 1,200. Perfect. It's a good soap. Okay, so you can go ahead and purchase it. I think you can get it online also. If you're in Nigeria, you can get it on Konga, on Jumia, on Gigi, on of course those Nigeria online malls. And if you're in outside the country, I'm very sure, pretty sure that you can get it on Amazon and, you know, all those online mall outside the country. Okay, so and also you can get it in your nearby shop, like in your shopping mall, shopping plazas, shopping center, and stuff. It's a popular soap. It's not like it's not like one eating soap. Okay, it's very popular and it's very good. Okay, so that's it. If you want to get it, you can go and get it. It is perfect. All right guys, so that will be it for the review for today, clear essence soap. And yeah, if you do find this video interesting and helpful, please thumbs up this video and subscribe, and also don't forget to share the video. And I will see you soon in my next video, guys. Stay beautiful. Bye guys.